Hello dear students, hope all are in well at home and doing your study. Actually in this pandemic time our system of study has been very much changed. So you are doing your study in a new form, new formation. So today and welcome from my channel Learn with Firdaus Ahmed, and I have get lots of love from you that within a very short time many of you have subscribed my channel and watching the videos. Thank you all. And if who are joined to watch the video right now, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. And today I'll take a very important class. Actually you make mistakes in these classes very frequently. Okay, though there is not that much, this chapter is not that much difficult, it's pretty easy, but you do mistakes. So, listen to me carefully in this class and hope that these sort of silly mistakes will be removed from your career, from your education. So, the chapter name is Subject-Verb Agreement, okay? Subject-Verb Agreement. And this class has been designed for all the classes of students. For example, if you are from high school level, if you are from college level, and if you are for trying for your job interview, all the students are applicable for this class. Okay. So what is subject-verb agreement? We have a clear idea about that. We know subject actually in each and every sentence there must have been a subject. In some special cases there may not be a subject. For example, in imperative sentence, do the work, there may not be any subject, but in most of the cases we get subject. And who are the subjects? That each and every noun, pronoun, okay, and sometimes some other things also included in a subject. For example, I, you, he, me, they. Okay, me is not a subject, me is object. And after that, there may be 50 people. Okay, 50 students of Shamsul Haqqani School and College. So this can also maybe a subject. So there is a deep relation between subject and verb. There is a deep relation between subject and verb. What is the relation? Verb depends hugely on subject. If the subject is in almost all the cases, the subject may be a singular form or maybe in plural form. So in each and every category, if it is singular or it is plural, it hugely have impacts on verb. So today we learn about that, how to do that. Already there are some examples. For example, the boys be swimming in the pond. The boys. So what is the subject? The subject is here is a singular or plural. Definitely the subject is in plural form. So what will we write? Instead of be, we will write are. We will write are. Or we can write where also, no problem. If you write where, it will also be okay. But the basic concept is that you must have to write the verb based on a plural subject. You can write, because if I remove this s, then the answer will be is or was. Is or was. So you have to take care of that. Kamal to enjoy the party. Okay. Kamal to enjoy the party. So what is? Kamal is singular or plural? Kamal is the name of a single person, so definitely it is singular. So as it is singular, we can here, what we can do? We think Kamal enjoy the party, so it is actually in present indefinite tense, because there is no mention of yesterday or last month, last week, or tomorrow, the next month, next week. There is no mention of that sort of words. So you can easily think that it is present indefinite tense, and as Kamal is third person singular number, Kamal is third person singular number, we have put here an s. What? We have put here s. Okay. And now come back to the next one. Ronnie and Johnny be two friends. Ronnie and Johnny. Okay, so we know the task of conjunction like and, but, or, though, as, because. The task of this conjunction is to add to, sometimes to noun, sometimes to verb, sometimes to adjective, sometimes to clause, okay, sometimes to different parts of sentences. So here and has added to noun. One is Ronnie, another is Johnny. So what happened? To singular, when adds by an, it has become plural. It has become plural. So what to do? Ronnie and Johnny are two friends. As the subject has become plural, we have written here are. We have written here are. But remember, my dear students, all the time it will not work same. Look at this example. The principal and secretary of the college is becoming. Okay. So here is two things, principal and secretary. So what will be the answer? The answer will be is or are. Is that a singular or plural? Listen, the principal and secretary. So we know that a person can hold many post or position. Okay, if a person have a company, several companies, he is the owner of all the companies. So and they have different name. So what will you say? The person is one, but he capsized or he captured many posts and positions. So the principal himself is the secretary. So we will have to write here is. We will have to write here is. Okay, my dear students. So hope you understand that part. Look at the next one. Principal and the secretary. The principal and the secretary. So does it same? Is it same like the before previous one? No. Here there is a fact. What is the fact? This is the fact. This is the fact. And because as there was no the before this secretary in the previous sentence, it means the single person. But whenever the principal and the secretary, and we know that the is used to make definite, to fixed anyone. So here this to the is expressing two person. This to the before to noun is expressing the different person. So in that case we will not be able to write here is. We will have to write here are, because the subject has become double. The subject has become double. Okay, now come slow and steady, win the race. Okay, slow and steady. That is the rule. Is it different? Slow and steady? Are they different? No. They are the quality of the same person. Okay. So you have to remember that in that case, slow and steady is meaning almost same and the same quality. If you get the same quality in a person, in a thing, it will be considered as singular. It will be considered as singular. So what should we do? We will write here wins. We will write here wins, because it is in present indefinite tense. If the subject is third person singular number, we have to write here verb. S or es with the verb. Each boy and each girl have got a prize. Now we will discuss the most important part, that is, if in any sentence you get each, any, anybody, everybody, someone, somebody, everything, anyone, none, every, no more than, each of the, one side, nobody, this sort of word. Okay, I repeat, each, any, everyone, anything, then none of the, no more than, each of the, one of the, no one, nothing, anything, somebody, someone, this sort of words. Okay, if you get this sort of words, then the subject will be considered as singular. The subject will be considered as singular. For example, each boy and girl, each boy and girl. Though the boy and girl has been added with and, but there is each, so it will be considered as singular, and the answer will be has. And the answer will be has. Okay. So none of them know the matter. So none of them, none. What is used? None of them. So if you consider them, none of them, what does it mean? It means nobody. None of them, that means from them there is nobody. So what will happen? There will also, the subject will be considered as singular, and the result will be, the verb will also become the singular, and there is with the verb. One of them is going there, one of them. So we have told many of the indicators, many of the clues. So it is also one of them. So one of them, it will be considered as singular. Though there is them will not be considered because the total subject is one of them. One of them. Neither of the two boys dash present. Okay. So what is now? It comes another portion, that is, if you got neither of the boys, so that is also in the same rule, neither of the boys is present. Okay. Look at that portion very clearly. One is only neither, another is neither nor. One is only either, another is either or. But there is difference between these two, so be careful about that. Okay. Meena as well as her friends. Look at Meena as well as her friends. If something is connected with, as well as, along with, okay, what did I say? As well as, with, along with, in addition to, including, together with, accompanied by. In that sort of case, the subject will be considered the first one. The subject will be considered the first one. That means here is subject, part of subject, Meena and her friends. Meena and her friends. But her friends will not be considered as the subject. Meena will be considered as the subject. So as Meena is singular number, what we will write here? Meena and her as well as her friends sings well. Okay. So Meena will be considered here as the subject. The teachers along with their students. Okay. The teachers. So who will be the main subject here? The teachers. Who? The teachers. So the teachers, as it is plural number, we will have to be also indicate plural, and that is are. Okay. That is are. As the teachers is plural number, the verb also become are or plural. Now, if you find the before an adjective, what? The before an adjective, it will be considered as plural. It will be considered as plural. And what will be? The rich are not always happy. Okay. The rich are not always happy. The rich group is totally covered by this the rich, the adjective. And here is a noun, cow. So if the is before noun, then it will be considered as singular. It will be considered as singular. So what will be? The cow is a useful animal. The cow is a useful animal. So very simple trick. If you set before an adjective the, it will make you understand the whole group, and you will just give plural. You will consider this plural number, and the verb will also be according to the plural number. And if you get the before a noun, you will consider is a singular number. Okay. So dear students, that is the part 1. Actually, it's a very important and big chapter. We have today complete part 1. Soon you will get part 2 also, and there are some other new classes is going on, and very important new classes will be continued. So connected with this channel, and if you need any other classes, please make me know in the comment box. I will try to prepare new classes for you. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel and to share the video. Thank you all. Goodbye.
I'm an icon, man. My girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.